Good morning, children. Welcome to the online class of Social Science of Class 9. So, myself, Mahendra Singh. Today, we'll go through the Indian monsoon. The climate of India is strongly influenced by the monsoon wind. The sailors who came to India in historic times were one of the first to have noticed the phenomena of the monsoon. They benefited from the reversal of wind system as they came by sailing ship at the mercy of wind. The Arabs who had also come to India as traders named this seasonal reversal of the wind system monsoon. यानी भारत का जो जलवायु है ये मुख्यतः मानसून हवाओं द्वारा प्रभावित होता है। इसका ऐतिहासिक रिकॉर्ड है कि सेलर नाविक जो आते थे इंडिया वे इन्हीं हवाओं के सहारे यहाँ पहुँचते थे और इनके रिवर्सल होने पर वापस जाते थे। अरब से भी जो व्यापारी आए यहाँ उन्होंने इन हवाओं के माध्यम से इनके जहाज स्मूथली सेल किया और ये इनको नाम दिए मानसून। द मानसून are experienced in the tropical area roughly between 20 degree north and 20 degree south. To understand the mechanism of the monsoon, the following facts are important. यानी मानसून का जो प्रभाव है ये ग्लोब पर 20 डिग्री नॉर्थ से 20 डिग्री साउथ के बीच इसका प्रभाव ज़्यादा है। इसको समझने के लिए कुछ फैक्टर है जो हम लोग अभी चर्चा करेंगे। द डिफरेंशियल हीटिंग एंड कूलिंग ऑफ लैंड एंड वाटर creates low pressure on the land mass of India, while the sea around experience comparatively high pressure. दूसरा फैक्टर, the shifting of the position of intertropical convergence zone in summer over the Gangetic Plain, that is the equatorial trough, normally positioned about 5 degree north of the equator. This is also known as monsoon trough during the monsoon season. तीसरा फैक्टर है द प्रेजेंस ऑफ हाई प्रेशर एरिया ईस्ट ऑफ Madagascar, approximately at 20 degrees south over the Indian Ocean. The intensity and position of this high pressure area affects the Indian monsoon. Next factor है the Tibetan plateau gets intensely heated during summer, which results in a strong vertical air current and the formation of low pressure over the plateau at about 9 kilometers above the sea level. And the last factor is the movement of westerly jet stream to the north of Himalayas and the presence of the tropical easterly jet stream over the Indian peninsula during summer. These are the factors that basically affects the climate of India. Apart from this, it has been noticed that changes in the pressure condition over the southern ocean also affects the monsoon. Normally, when the tropical eastern South Pacific Ocean experience high pressure, the tropical eastern Indian Ocean experience low pressure. But in certain years, there is a reversal in the pressure conditions and the eastern Pacific has lower pressure in comparison to the eastern Indian Ocean. These periodic changes in pressure condition is known as southern oscillation. The differences in pressure over Tahiti, Pacific Oceans at about 18 degrees south and 149 degrees west and the Darwin in northern Australian, that is Indian Ocean, at about 12.32 south and 131 degree east, is computed to predict the intensity of monsoon. If the pressure difference were negative, it would mean the average and late monsoon. A feature connected with the issue is the El Nino phenomena, in which a warm current that flows past the Peruvian coast in place of cold Peruvian current every 2 to 5 years. The change in pressure conditions are connected to the El Nino, hence the phenomena is referred to as ENSO. That means El Nino Southern Oscillations. Okay, this much children. Thank you.